What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mo Christine. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome and subscribe. Ready? Mo Adventures. Mo Adventures. Hand movement. Oh, sorry. Mo Ventures. On today's episode of Mo Ventures, myself and Nana Nicole, look her up on YouTube as well, we are going to do our nails. Well, I am. You guys seen the video that I took off my nails. It was a very sad day. Very sad day. But you know what? We found a way to make us happier. We found our way out. We found
easy fix.
Easy fix. Thank you. An
It's
easy
temporary,
fix.
but easy.
Temporary, easy. Back to our hot girl days, okay? So Nana Nicole, she did it already. So she tried it out, and I guess it's time for me to give it a try. So this is my first time me doing it, okay? Okay, so here's a little bit of information on the nail kit.
Okay, so there's a few things that you need to know about this nail kit. It's not the same as the nails that you would get done at a salon. What it is actually a full tip, just like a press-on. The only difference is that it's a blank tip. So you have the ability to put it on your nail, shape it, and also polish it and file it to your desire. So that's what I did with mine, is I filed mine. They come as normal square tips, but I filed mine into the coffin shape, which is my all-time favorite. It's like a coffin / stiletto shape, but it's my all-time favorite shape. I am no pro. I am not a nail tech.
We are pro for quarantine.
Very proud of the outcome. They last for about a week and a half to 2 weeks, depending on what you're doing. I myself am a hands-on mom, so you know, I have a 5-year-old. They last maybe 1 week. With that said, I like the fact that I'm able to do it myself. This is the kit, and the name of the kit is called Nailene. 6 different styles of nails. There's the extremely big for your thumb all the way to the extremely small for your pinky. A lot of people have really small pinkies, so I get it. Now this is the So Natural, and this is the long length. It comes with a small buffer, a 2-sided buffer. This one's rougher than this side. Your instructions, and it comes with a little bottle of glue. You can purchase this at your local drug mart. I purchased this at Rexall, because I'm sure Nailene online, you can purchase it as well.
All right, y'all. So let's get to hot girlin'.
You have any questions?
Oh. Hot girl.
Sorry, it caught it though.
Hot girl. All right, you guys. So she's gonna do my right hand, and then I'm going to do my left hand. So stay tuned and watch this process. Wish me luck. First, we're going to size the nails to our fingers.
Now, one thing you need to pay attention to is that the nail itself curves by itself. So if it curves, our natural nail does not curve. So there is a gap that you see here. There's little gaps that you'll see. And please don't mind the paint job on my nails. It got messed up. I'm gonna go for a bigger nail, which yes, will take up most of the space, but I can file down the sides to fit. Next, we will prep the nail with a round nail scraper. This will clean the dead skin off of the nails, which will prevent it from lifting. I come in with a rougher nail file, and I kind of just rub it over her nails to make it a little rigid so that the glue sticks on. You can use the other side, which is the rougher side as advised before. Filed nail, you're going to double check your sizing to make sure everything is sized up. Still a little big, so I will file it down a little bit on the side. I will glue half of the nail, and it would be the top half. I will put the glue at the bottom of the nail. Then I will place it a little bit above the cuticle and press down. all these steps for all 10 nails. A complete blank canvas to work with, to file, to shape, and to polish.
All right, you guys, it's my turn. So now I'm gonna do my left hand. Wish me luck. Okay, let's do this. You gotta measure the nail first. Measure the nail first. Y'all, I did my first nail. I did a pretty good job. I think I am gonna be extra and just keep the long length. So now I gotta do it for the rest of these fingers. This is actually therapeutic, guys. Like if you have, I mean, we have a lot of time on our hands. So doing this, like sitting down, watching TV, I think I could probably do this all the time. Mo DIY, mo DIY, mo DIY. Stop it out. Oh, mo DIY, mo DIY. What'd you do? Oh, how did I get stuck? How did I get stuck on my shirt? When did this happen? How long has it been there? Sorry guys, I had to do the rest off camera because I had to get like, I wasn't even paying attention to the camera being on. I was just like on. I was just in it. So I am finished. What do you guys think? Look, I like it. I mean, it's long. I gotta get used to it again on the phone and stuff. But hot girl days are back. So now all I have to do is polish them. See guys, you have it here. You can go to your local drugstore, buy your nail kit, and make it work. Make it work in quarantine. Get your nails done.
Quarantine nails.
Do your own nails.
Do your own DIY.
Cheaper. Save your money. Well, that's it, you guys. Shout out to Nana Nicole for hooking me up with this set and showing me what to do. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.
My name will be linked below. Follow.
Bam! Your girl added some color. I kept the Cardi B length nails, the mini Cardi B, because she has them way longer. But I am loving them. Hot girl is back. That's it, folks. Want some more? Click subscribe below. Oh. What was that? Oh. Okay. I'll put the finished product.
Okay, yeah. No. All the details for this product will be listed below. So please remember, if you have any questions, leave a comment. guys. We out.